So I did one straight line. Now I'm going to do plus sign, but this one I'm not going to be drawing like this long. It will be small, like this much, and same amount this side. If I will measure, it's almost like, let's see how much, around, you can see almost, this is 4.5, so little bit above. And for this one, this is going to be almost half here. I'm just marking here. For this line, this is the half. Now I did little bit marking here and there. I will keep telling you why I did this one. So this is the line and this is going to be the half, just in the middle here. So this is the half for this line. I will start from here, both side, but how long I have to go. So this is the line. If I will do this one, so little bit far from this one and little bit curvy, kind of like a sad face. From here I can turn this one and I will do this one double. Now this was the half line, little bit down over here, and I will do the same thing like I did over here. And this was my straight line, so little bit inside. And I will do double. I will curve. Now from here to here, I'm going to connect knot here, a little bit in. For this line, this is the half almost, and I will pick one point over here. Same thing I will do over here. And this line I'm going to do a little bit sad face, both same size, this one and this one. And I can do double over here. From the top of this one, I'm going to curve this one here. Now from here to here, I'm going to connect this one. And this one, I will go around that. I can do double line one more time. And I will pull this one and this side a little bit more. Two curvy lines. Again, sad face style curvy. Then skinny one. Then a little bit less. After that, I can make a circle. And one tiny circle over here. I want this one to be a little bit thicker. After that, on the top, I will erase a little bit and make it lighter. From here and here, skinnier than this one. And skinnier than this one. Now from here, I'm going to curve this one and both sides. Then I will pull this line up here. I will leave little bit gap over here, and from here to here I will connect this one. Now over here I'm going to do double line. Just rough idea, so do not draw dark. So from here I will pull a little bit this side and then pull in. Same thing I'm going to do here. Wherever they are connecting, I will erase that part. So this one is going and going inside of that, so there will be another line. Now from here I will pick one point over here. So first I will do kind of like a rough line. Now from here I'm going a little bit in and then out, and then kind of like a curvy over here. Same thing I'm going to do over here. Now from here I'm going to pull one line, and same thing over here. So a little bit above than this line over here. I can do arch style. one small one. On the top I'm going to draw one circle. And from here kind of like a loop. Draw light because I'm going to erase this one. Next to this one, I'm just going to draw a very rough one. Do not draw dark because we are going to erase this one. One I'm going to draw here on the top of this one. Now from here I'm going to pull this line a little bit down, going down. Now as you can see I did a little bit light line over here, so I'm trying to draw one long rectangle. So make sure this one will fit in the middle of this rectangle. If it's not, it's a small, you can pull this one. If it's long, you can erase. Try to fix right now. I want this one to be a little bit closer to this side. Now here, from here, I will start and I will do double line. As you can see, still I can see this line, the rectangle one. Now over here I'm going to do double this one, and slowly by slowly, not thick like this, little bit skinny. All the way up here. Now I will make this one a little bit roundish at the top. Now I will do one more line here. And from here, from the top, I will do another line to create 3D effect. Now over here I'm going to turn this one a little bit down and then curvy, and then I will do double line. Now from here I will pull one tiny line and I will start from here and I will make it 3D. Now from here to here I am going to draw another line to create a 3D effect, and from here to here this one we will erase everything from inside and it will go on the top. This side we will erase this one. This part we cannot see, and this part we can again make it dark here and a little bit here. This one I want skinny and this one I want a little bit wider. Now from here I can do a little bit line here, line here. I will connect both of them. This one also I will pull it down. Now here or somewhere wherever you feel like you can draw one half circle and we can do 1 or 2 nails. I will do this dark area over here too, over here, and on the top of over here I can do double line